This is Lolia from Sunglory. We are a professional coating plant manufacturer with 27 years experiences. We can supply turnkey solutions for surface treatment line with professional solution design and installation service. We can supply complete coating plan, including Teflon coating line, powder coating line, curving oven, and sandblasting machines. Our coating line can be customized for any size, according to our clients' requirements. Up to 2024, we have helped many clients set up their coating factory. Most of our clients start profiting within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. This is our non-stick coating plant. Its capacity can be customized from 400 pieces per hour, 600 pieces per hour, to 800 pieces per hour. Our coating plant is good for all brands painting material, including DuPont, Whitford, Weber, and Grepelon. Our current furnace has 4 temperature zones, from 280 degrees to 425 degrees. We use Riello's burner, Siemens PLC, and touch screen. Our built-in insulation fan can save 50% energy. This is our sandblasting machine for increasing adhesion before coating. This is our factory director, Engineer Tang.
大家好，我叫唐在超，我是上冠集团涂装设备部的厂长。
Engineer Tang has more than 27 years experiences in powder coating and non-stick coating line. Our engineer will design production line according to our client's requirement. As you can see, this current furnace is finished and ready to ship to clients. Our engineer will go to your factory for installation and worker training. Last month, our engineer team helped SKB set up their rice cooker coating plant within 30 days, including trial production and worker training. Let's take a look. Contact us, set up your own coating factory.